Discover the simplicity of mastering the F major scale, a perfect way for beginners to conquer this essential musical skill. On the treble clefs, we start with F on the first gap of the staff, in between lines 1 and 2. Move up step by step until we return to the F, which sits on the top line of the staff to complete the octave. The bass clef. Start with the F on the fourth line of the musical staff. The key signature of F major features one flat, which is B flat. Now later on in the video we will discover how to work out the relative minor scale, so stay tuned for that one. The major scale is made up of 7 musical intervals. They follow this pattern. It's important to practice the scale to understand the differences in mood and sound between major and minor scales. The tonic triad of the F major scale is formed using the notes F, number 1, A, number 3, and C, number 5. Harmonizing the major scale means creating chords that fit well with the notes of the major scale. This is a great way for beginners to understand how different notes work together to create harmony. By understanding and practicing these chords, we can get a feel for how the major scale works and how different chords can be used to create songs and melodies in this key. We are happy to share a free musical resource guide. Click the first link in the description to download your copy today. The open form of the scale on the guitar uses open strings. Here's how we play it. The simple form of the major scale on the fretboard of a guitar stays in one position. Now here's the pattern which can be used for any major scale. To find the relative minor scale of any major scale, simply count backwards 3 steps from the last note. This will reveal the relative minor scale. Now are you ready to explore more musical insights? Then check out our next video on understanding relative minor scales for beginners.